Alright, doors and windows. Engine instruments look good. Trim. Side flaps as required. Fuel pump lights strobes on. Foley traffic, Comanche 6057 Papa, departing 36, leaving the area to the east. Extra rate. Alright, pressure. Good. Here's a fan.
Phoenix traffic, cover 57 is bent to the southeast inbound for lane into Phoenix. Cover 57 copies, we'll land at your roughly 6 o'clock to first swap.
Foley traffic, 57 Pop clear the east.
Bay Minette traffic, Polo 87 Lima, left crosswind, touch and go, runway 8, Bay Minette.
Bay Minette traffic, Polo 354, left base, runway 26, touch and go, Bay Minette.
Runway 8, runway 8.
Not more traffic, maybe helicopter 0.2, about 3 miles to the east southeast, inbound from Roscoe 18, up more.
A2 Fox Alpha, this will be a full stop for 87 Lima.
Alpha Roger. Leaving net traffic, Polo 214 Alpha, left crossway, runway 8, touch and go, Bay Minette.
America Sky 2070, turning left crosswind, runway 18, stop and go, and more. Bay Minette traffic, Navy helicopter 617 entering left downwind and looking upwind for runway 2, always part of the west. That's going to go in space.
Bay Minette traffic, Polo 450 is in the upwind, we have the Navy helicopter inside. I'm behind it, Bay Minette.
America Sky 2070, turning left downwind, runway 18, stop and go, at more. Copy 08 up. Copy 08 rep. Do you have us off to your right? 0.2. There's 45 left down 18 behind. So it will be a uphill 18 hard to come. Baymanet traffic, Polo 87 Lima, runway 8, full stop, left base.
Baymanet, Bolo 87 Lima, full stop for runway 8, left base.
Baymanet traffic, Bolo 244 south, far left base, north.
More traffic, Navy, your flight is due, helicopter, left on 118, number 2, more. Tower traffic, Sky 20070, turn left base, runway 18, that's it, stop and go, Apple. Traffic, stationary 8283 Zulu, 10 mile final, 18 Bogalusa. Okay, that traffic, Navy helicopter 617 departing to the left.
Bolo 87.
More traffic, W8, 7 miles to the south, departing 1500, final call, Atmore. More traffic, Sky 20070, turning final, runway 18, stop and go, Atmore.
Apalachicola, the Falcon 1 Romeo Sierra is about 6 minutes out from the north, maneuvering for runway 14, Apalachicola traffic.
More traffic, let us see Navy Helos, left base, Mason up, go ahead, Mark.
Guys, we're not here, we'll go to 8 to the north. 2,500 is any 2,500, 55 left down on 1.
Roscoe traffic, command 257 pop, 7.5 west, inbound 36.
Baymanet traffic, copy 07, making a left mid, entry into downwind, runway 36, more traffic. Baymanet traffic, Polo 450, left base, touch and go, runway 8, Baymanet.
About Baymanet.
Baymanet traffic, Bolo 354, left base, runway 8, touch and go, Baymanet.
Baymanet traffic, Polo 250, ground plan, runway 8, touch and go, Baymanet. More traffic, flight is Navy Helos, close on 18, go. More traffic, 20070 is on the upwind for runway 18, we are departing to the south, Atmore. Loud clear. More traffic, copy 07, 4 miles to the south, making a left mid downwind entry into the pattern, runway 36. More traffic.
Roscoe traffic, command 257 pop, 3.5 northwest to be left downwind 36.
Hey Mike, this is Chappie 07. You guys have us in sight? We do not have you in sight. I'm looking though. Roger. Well, we're just headed to the northeast to maneuver and our left outline runway 36 for that one. Oh, I got you in sight. You're no factor for us. Baymanet traffic, Polo 450, left crosswind, full stop, runway 8, Baymanet.
Out 3 minutes out, maneuvering for runway 14, Apalachicola. Coming in from the north.
Baymanet traffic, Polo 250, off the left base, runway 8, touch and go, Baymanet.
Baymanet traffic, Polo 354, left crosswind, runway 8, touch and go, Baymanet.
Atmore traffic 200,703, 3.5 miles to the south, final call, Atmore.
Booker traffic, stationary 283 Zulu, 5 mile final, 18 Booker.
Atmore traffic copy 07, 3 miles to the southeast, making a left mid downwind hard and renew.
All right, fuel pump on, mixture rich, prop forward. Airport in sight.
Atmore traffic copy 07, maneuvering into the left downwind, 145.
Roscoe traffic, sides up top, left downwind, 36. All right, standing by on the gear.
3. 500 below, west off.
Landing gears coming down.
Traffic 0, left down, 96.
Gears down in green, flaps 1 coming out. Here's our school. Roscoe traffic, command 60, 5 up top, turning base 36.
Bay Minette traffic, Foley 354, left base, runway 8, touch and go, Bay Minette.
Atmore traffic copy 07, left downwind runway 18, 36, touch and goes.
All right, 3 green on final. For 90. Gears down. Like that. Like that.
Well, plane places, good news and bad news. We've got the plane back safe in the hangar from the mechanic check. That's the good news. Our strut's holding, also good news. Bad news is we've got a blown prop seal on one of the blades, so the prop's gonna have to go off and go to a prop shop. Caught it nice and early. Always good to pay attention to things. I noticed we had fine oil mist on the front of the cowling yesterday on our post flight, which was new. So I wiped down half of the cowl before flying the maintenance flight, got it over there, and we had new fresh oil mist on the clean part. So definitely clear something was leaking. Went on the hunt, found that there was some oil pooled behind one blade in the spinner bulkhead, took the spinner off and found a definitely clear indication of a leak in the seal. Again, caught it early before it could have meant loss of RPM control or engine or oil in general. So, always keep your airplane clean and pay attention if any fluids start ending up in places you don't expect. So, scheduling now with the prop shop, we'll have a prognosis in a bit.